So we're just going to do a couple of questions on the assignment because I don't think it warrants an entire lesson. So this is sort of, well, it is not sort of, it's an application of your trig values, but you still don't really know why you would need to know this stuff, but we're getting there, I promise. So if you look at, hang on, silly board. All right, so if we look at the first one, they're not numbered, so we're going to look at A. So the directions say to find the exact value of each of the following expressions. The instructions should also say, I forgot to go back and add this stuff for clarification, they should also say, make sure your answers are always in simplest form. That means combined as much as you can and no mixed numbers. All right, so we have A, we want to figure out this, so we're not solving for anything, we're just going to simplify this expression. 2 times the sine of pi fourths minus the tangent of 4 pi thirds. So we're going to find those values that we know how to find. The sine of pi fourths is what? It's just square root of 2 over 2. Okay, good. And then the tangent of 4 pi thirds is square root of 3. Good, and it's positive because we're in the third quadrant. So those two values, we got it. So now we just substitute it into here. I'm going to take 2 times the sine of pi fourths, which is the square root of 2 over 2, minus the tangent of 4 pi thirds, which is the square root of 3. So 2 times the square root of 2 over 2, those 2's cancel out. So I end up with the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. Can I combine that anymore? No, that's like x minus y. Like, that's it. That is my answer. This is your answer. Okay. We'll go ahead and do B together. The cosine of 7 pi fourths, okay, it's a pi fourths angle, so we know it's the square root of 2 over 2, but is it positive or negative? Positive, because it's in quadrant 4. Good. So this is square root of 2 over 2 again. The tangent of 3 pi fourths is, well, it's a pi fourth, so we know it's 1. 3 pi fourths, is it positive or negative? Negative, so I have a negative 1. So now I substitute it into this expression right here, and I'm going to get the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 over 2 plus a negative 1. Okay, so what's the square root of 2 times the square root of 2? Square root of a monkey times the square root of a monkey is a monkey, right? So the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2. So this is going to give me 2 over 2 plus a negative 1, so minus 1. So basically that's 1 minus 1, which is 0. Okay, so you find the values you know how to find, your trig values like you've been finding them. You substitute them back in and simplify. Most of them are pretty, I mean, there's nothing super crazy going on in here, so just make sure you pay attention to your signs. You don't make any like weird, brain fart type of things, and you'll be able to handle it just fine. Okay? Any questions at all? So this is a Kami assignment. If you're doing it digitally, you just turn it in on Kami. If you were doing it on paper, then scan it and do what you know how to do. All right? We good? So you got the rest of the time to work on this, so make sure you make good use of your time.